Unboxing my Hamilton Beach smoothie blender. I got it for less than $25 on rollback. So it was 24 something. So I don't have a box cutter. I can't find my scissors. So I'm using my knife to just slice this baby open. We're in the kitchen. It's okay to do that in your house. Okay, the directions. And let's get this baby out. Of course, for that price, I don't think it's glass. I didn't look on here. I just grabbed it, tossed it in the cart, and said, yes, it's a smoothie blender. It's a good price. And happy with that. Set it on here like that and make sure I got it on there. This is how it's looking. Let's plug it in, and I already have everything prepped and ready to go to make a green smoothie. So let's try this out. This is unsweetened. I just brewed some green tea. I also let it set in the refrigerator and let it get really cold. So I'm just going to add a bit. Ripe pineapple. So this is fresh ripened pineapple. I have a half of a fully ripe banana. I have some green Granny Smith apples. Some frozen organic kale. With the kale, I do about a half cup or a bit more. I have some ice that's been setting here. It's a little bit melted, but I'm just gonna toss it in with the cold water. The smoothie option. I do have some ice in here, so I'm going to hit it with the grind ice and just pulse it a bit before I hit the smoothie option. Now for the smoothie button. I think that's good enough. All right, let's check it out. Hey everybody, I'm behind the scenes enjoying my smoothie. That is so good and refreshing. It's healthy, refreshing, and it's so delicious. The pineapple and banana, make sure they're fully ripe and they just naturally sweeten it. And it is delicious. Try this out. You're going to love it. And I'll see you in my next upload.